In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Fidelity Options Chain. This is an essential tool for anyone interested in trading options. It provides detailed insights into all available call and put options for stocks, ETFs, and indices. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident using the options chain to analyze contracts and even place trades directly. Let's start by opening the options chain. First, log into your Fidelity account. Once logged in, navigate to the News and Research section. From there, select Options, and then choose Option Chain. Now, enter the stock symbol you're interested in. For instance, you could type in AAPL for Apple. Press Enter and you'll be directed to the Options Chain. This step is crucial because it is the gateway to all the data you'll need. Now, let's understand the layout of the Options Chain. You'll notice that it's organized in a specific manner. Call options are listed on the left side, while put options are on the right. In the middle, you'll find the strike price. Above these, the expiration dates are grouped together. It's important to familiarize yourself with this arrangement. It allows you to quickly find the information you need, saving you time as you analyze potential trades. Next up, choosing an expiration date. You'll use the expiration bar to make your selection. Here, you have options like weekly, monthly, and longer-term options, also known as leaps. You can either display multiple expiration dates or focus on just one specific date. This flexibility helps tailor the data to your trading strategy. Remember, selecting the right expiration date is key to aligning your trades with your investment goals. After that, you'll want to read the important columns. Common columns include the bid, which is the highest current buyer price, and the ask, the lowest current seller price. You'll also see volume, indicating the number of contracts traded today, and open interest, showing the contracts currently open. Implied volatility, or 4, reflects the market's expected volatility. Additionally, you'll encounter the Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, and Vega. For example, a call option with a strike price of $200 might have a bid of $4.90 and an ask of $5.10. The delta might be 0.55. This implies that the option could move about 55 cents for each dollar move in the stock. Understanding these columns is essential because they provide a comprehensive view of the option's current market status. If the Greeks like delta, theta, vega, or gamma aren't visible, you can add them. Just click on Settings in the Options chain. Add the Greek columns you want and save your layout. This personalization ensures that you always have your preferred data at your fingertips. Now let's talk about using filters. You can filter for calls only, puts only, specific strike prices, or expiration dates. You can also filter for multi-leg strategies like spreads, iron condors, or straddles. Filtering is a powerful feature. It allows you to focus on exactly what you need without getting overwhelmed by excess data. Finally, placing a trade. To trade directly from the chain, click the ask price if you want to buy or the bid price if you want to sell. A trade ticket will open automatically. Review your order carefully and then submit the trade. This seamless integration makes executing trades quick and efficient. Most beginners focus on key metrics such as expiration date, strike price, bid/ask spread, volume, open interest, and delta. These 5 metrics provide a solid foundation before diving into more advanced Greeks and multi-leg strategies. Thanks for following along. You're now ready to navigate and use the Fidelity Options chain effectively. Happy trading!